Hey everybody, it's Haley. I'm going to be doing a monologue about a girl named Trina's real father. She's going to meet him for the very first time. Mom, I don't know if I can do this. I don't know if I'm ready to meet this man that I've never known. Gosh, what if he hates me? I mean, what if he thinks I'm ugly? I know he's not just gonna like me. Oh no. What if I don't like him? What if he comes through the door, right, and our eyes meet and the feeling's not there? Yeah, he's my father. But not like Frank is. Frank is dad. This guy, I mean, Ben, is just a father, right? I mean, he and my biological mother decided they couldn't hang and have a kid at such a young age, so they gave me up. And I'm cool with that. I think it's just that I really don't know what to expect from him. I mean, the letters he sent were cool and all, but they were just words on paper. I don't know even why I bothered looking for him. I'm 18 now. I should be getting ready for college and not sweating the old stuff. I mean, my biological mother couldn't deal with it when I found her. She's got her own life now with her own kids. The one she actually wanted. I'm a bad memory she's trying to erase. What do you mean I don't understand? Mom, she doesn't want to know me. And she sure doesn't want her husband and kids to know that she has a bastard kid when she was 16. So what if my father feels the same way? Rejects me like she did? I should have never contacted him. I'm setting myself up big time. I know it. He's here, isn't he? Alright, I'm ready to meet him.